Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 12th. Now the speech of Gonzalo, line number 235. Gonzalo is in very happy mood as well as in amazement. He says, was Milan thrust from Milan that his issue should become king of Naples? Was Prospero, the Duke of Milan, banished from his estate so that his children could become the rulers in Naples? Oh, rejoice beyond a common joy and set it down with gold or lasting pillars. He says, oh, let us rejoice at this occasion, at this occasion with more than normal joy, and let us inscribe with golden letters this occasion should be rejoiced and should be inscribed with golden letters on pillars built to last a long time. It should be written on pillars built to last a long time. In one voyage did Claribel, her husband, find at Tunis, and Ferdinand, her brother, found a wife where he himself was lost. Prospero his dukedom in a poor isle, and all of us ourselves when no man was his own. What should be written? In the course of one voyage, it should be written in golden letters. What? In the course of one voyage, these sentences should be written. In the course of one voyage, Claribel found a husband at Tunis. Second, Ferdinand, her brother, found a wife where he was lost. Third, Prospero found his dukedom on a poor island, and we all found our real selves when none of us was in his senses. Alonso says to Ferdinand and Miranda, give me your hands, let grief and sorrow will still embrace his heart that doth not wish you joy. Alonso is in happiest mood. He says to Ferdinand and Miranda, give me your hands, let grief and sorrow engulf. Engulf means to overcome, to cover. Let grief and sorrow engulf the heart of the person who does not wish you happiness. Gonzalo, be it so. Amen. Amen, be it so. Re-enter Ariel with the master and boatsman amazedly following. They are with the master, re-enter and Ariel with the master and the boatsman following him in amazement. Oh, look sir, here is more of us. I prophesied, if a gallows were on land, this fellow could not drown. Gonzalo says, remind the line sentences he spoken earlier. Oh sir, look here, sir, here are more of us. I told you earlier that this man would never be drowned if there were gallows on land. Gallows, dear student, you know, framework used for hanging, gallows. Framework used for hanging. Now you swear, who sent mercy of good overboard. Have you forgotten to swear on shore? What is the news? Now he says, this fellow couldn't do. Now blasphemy that swears graced overboard, not on oath and shore. Hast thou no mouth by land? What is the news? Yes, now you swear. Who sent mercy of God overboard? Have you forgotten to swear on shore? What is the news? Boatswain says, The best news is that we have safely found our king and company. The next, our ship, which but 3 glasses, since we gave out split. Boatswain says, the best news is that we have safely found our king and his friends. The next good news is that our ship, which only 3 hours ago had been reported to have been destroyed, is now seaworthy. Seaworthy is tight and gear and bravely rigged as when we first put out to sea. It is fitted well with sails as it was when we first sailed. Became new. Ariel says, aside to Prospero, sir, all this service have I done since I went. Aside to Prospero, he says, sir, I have done all this service after leaving you. I have done all my duties. Prospero says to Ariel, my twisty spirit, my clever spirit. Alonso says, these are not natural events. They strengthen from strange to stranger. Say, how came you hither? Alonso asked Prospero, Boatswain and Prospero, these are not natural events. They become more and more strange. Say, how did you come here? Boatswain says, if I did think, sir, I were well awake, I would try to tell you we were dead of sleep, and how we know not, all clapped under hatches. Where? But even now, with strange and several noises of roaring, shrieking, howling, jingling chains, and more diversity of sounds, all horrible, we were awaked, straightway at liberty. He says, I would certainly tell you if I could believe that I am not dreaming. We were in a deep sleep, and we do not know how it happened. We were imprisoned under the ship deck. We were awakened from our deep sleep by sounds of roaring, shrieking, and howling, clinking of chains, and many other sounds, all of them terrifying. He says, were we all in her trim flesh, she beheld our royal good and gallant ship, our master capering to eye her. On a trice so please you, even in a dream were we divided from them and were brought moping hither. He says, our captain, even he says, we found ourselves free, and we then saw our royal good and gallant ship fully equipped with sails and ropes. Our captain was dancing with joy to see her. Her means here ship. But suddenly, if it pleases you to know, we too were separated from our sailors, just as it happened in a dream, and were brought here in a dazed condition. Ariel says, aside to Prospero, was it well done? Was it done well? What I have done was well? Prospero says, bravely my diligence, thou shalt be free. Yes, he says to Ariel, it was done very well, my good spirit, you will certainly be set free. Alonso says, this is a strange maze as ever men trod, and there is in this business more than nature was ever conduct of. Some oracle must rectify your knowledge. Alonso says, we find ourselves in a strange maze. Maze means anything complicated and full of confusion. Anything, maze, anything complicated and confused. We find ourselves in a strange maze on this island. This is a strange situation that no man has experienced. What is happening to us exceeds what could have been brought about by nature. Some divine power can explain these events to us. only. He says only some divine power can explain these events to us. Prospero says, Sir, my liege, do not infest your mind with beating on the strangeness of this business and picked leisure, which shall be shortly single. I will resolve you, which to you shall see probable of every these happened accident. Till when be cheerful and think of each thing well. Prospero says to Alonso, my lord, do not bother about self. Do not bother yourself with thinking of this mysterious situation. I will explain the incident at leisure, at free time, which will come soon. My explanation will make these incidents seem as quite probable. Till then, be cheerful and think that everything is favorable. Aside to Ariel, he says, come here, spirit, set Caliban. He says here, aside to Ariel, come hither, spirit, set Caliban and his companions free. Come here, spirit, set Caliban and his companions, Stefano and Trinculo. Companions of Caliban were Stefano and Trinculo free. Remove the magic spell. Remove, he says, remove the magic spell. Untie the spell. Exit Ariel. How fares my gracious sir? There are yet missing of our company some few odds lades that you remember not. He says, remove the magic spell which holds them. Ariel goes away. How are you honored, sir? There are a few odd persons from your ship's crew missing whom you have forgotten. After that, re-enter Ariel. You will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.